Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet on Tuesday, July 11th from 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And when we come to our charts, this is what we see. In the next minute, the candle will start. We'll go candle by candle, and I will buy and sell trades and manage them. So what do we see when we come here from 8:30 to 10? We see that price traded up into this new week opening gap. This is that purple lines right there. The dark line is the 8:30 opening price. Price came down, and now price is coming up. It's coming into this fair value gap right here. There's also a fair value gap right here as well. So I'll mark this out. So put that there as well. Okay, so as you know, I like to make sure that we're selling in a premium and we're buying in a discount. So if we took the fib right here from high to low, we're at equilibrium, so we're in a premium. My stop, because that's the 3 candle pattern, would have to be above this fair value gap, so it would have to be above this high, and that makes my stop 7.25 points or handles, and I am not taking that high of a stop. So for me, it's got to come up in here. But then you got to aim for 10. So can you get here? Yeah, you can. Okay, so I would take that trade because we're still aiming for this low. So we can come to the bottom here, come to the top here, and we'd still aim. Do we still get 2 to 1? We do. So if we aim for this low, price came up here, I'd take that trade, right? So let's move that out of the way and see if it ever comes up there or not. Alright, okay, needs to come up for me to get into a trade. Doesn't look like it's going to. Alright, so at this point I'm taking this off. What do we see here? It's taking out these lows, it's still not taking out that one, so keep going. Okay. Well, sell side liquidity has been taken. Let me take off the fib here. Sell side liquidity has been taken there. Okay, so now I'd be looking to go long, reversal, or trade up into this fair value gap. But it's already taken out sell side, so. So you got 3 relatively equal highs right there. Alright, so we have a short-term high here cleared. We have a fair value gap here. This isn't a market structure shift because this swing high didn't break this low. It didn't come down and break this low. So for me, I would need this high to be broken. Okay, so it leaves another fair value gap here. No, so I still need a market structure shift. We could very well come in and tap this, you know. So, waiting for structure. I'm just waiting for structure to show me what we're going to get. Okay, so there's 3 fair value gaps there. Okay. So if we're going to go short, like ICT says, if it breaks 3 PD arrays, there's 3 PD arrays. If it breaks this low, we're going short. Like we're bearish at that point. So we'll see how what happens here. It did just break this right here, market structure shift. I would like to see a candle close above that though, not just wick. Feel better about it. Okay, that definitely feel better about it. Okay, so now market structure shift. If it comes back in here, these very well could be breakaway gaps. I'd like it to come down in here. This blue line is the midnight opening price. So if it comes down into the midnight opening price, that would be good as well. But I'd take a trade here. Ideally, I'd like to come in down here. This could be a breakaway gap. We shall see. Okay. Yeah, I would have taken a buy order there, but I want to see how that happens. It clicked down and came back up. It would have been a good place to take a trade, but on Trading View, I'd be buying right here, not down here. So, you know, I want to see if that holds. If it comes back down here before taking these out, this high out, then I'll buy one down here. It's obviously this came through, respected it. I want to, if it comes down in there, I'll take a trade. Does that break it? Does that break it? Does not. Okay. So it can't go above that high. All right, that's good. Close down there. Get in there. No, normally I'd have a limit order right here, but because it's Trading View, I can't do that. So stop. Okay, perfect. All right, so then I'm going to buy 2 right there. And then where would I take my partial? Let's see. Let's put a buy there. Let's do a long there. Would want to put our stop below the second fair value gap. Let's see. This would be right here. Would be in the middle of a fair value gap by being the first candle. So we'll go 1 below this fair value gap here. So if it takes me out, it's crossed 2 PD arrays. Then we're going to be watching this. So I feel better that having 2 PD arrays helps support price. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. Partial, I'd be probably on the top of this here. It'd be about 60% or 70%, 75% thereabouts. So it's good. I don't know if let's see. 3 would be here. That's 50%. So I'd need right here. Yeah, it's close enough. All right, that's where I'd take my partials. That's where it's at. That's in the middle of this fair value gap here. So I'm good. That's consequent encroachment. So, you know, a good area to take a TP target. So let's see how this works out. Oh, well, that's good. I need to close. I'm going to extend this out more so I know where I can take a partial. Let's take a partial here. Drop it down by 1. See what happens. Close there. See, now if I had a limit order, that would take that out right there. So I would have been down 1. But I'm not going to take a partial here. It's, you know, it's too far down. Stop there. You know what? I'll take a partial there only because this would have taken me out. So just to be fair, I'll take a partial there. I don't want to be skewing the numbers at all. Oh, that was the even better one. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to flatten it there because that's pretty much our TP target right there. And let's see if the next candle goes higher or not. It does. So it would have taken us out there anyway, so it would have been fine. Let's see how the rest of the hour goes. Okay. Alright, so you could have gotten in here for another order, another trade setup, had you had a limit order. I didn't on Trading View because I'd had to take it up here, but ideally I would have taken one down here. You know, I'll put it at the high here. This again goes low here. Same area, profit targets. But since I wasn't able to do that, we'll take them off. And that's your AM Silver Bullet. We made $550 in profit managing the trade. Took a partial here and placed 2 orders. Took a partial here, TP there. That's we use structure. That's your silver bullet. Take this off so you can see the marks.